Hello and welcome back to Visit Fylde. This is a video from Rabbit Towers, which of course you'll be familiar with if you're used to watching Brew It 2. I've got the Kevin's alter ego and the Lego flowers in the background. So today I've got something really exciting to tell you. The sun's shining. It's a beautiful afternoon after a bit of a dreary start, and I've got something really exciting to tell you because we've got a big announcement to make. Drum roll and fanfare. I've got my scalpel, which I'm going to, it's quite blunt actually, it's a bit like me, and I have a box which has arrived for me by courier, full of all kinds of interesting things. So I'm going to open this box with you guys on air. Exciting. So I've got my scalpel, and I genuinely haven't opened this at all until we were gathered together. It's not been unpacked. So I've been looking forward to this coming. It's just make sure I don't cut my fingers. So I think it's one of these clever ones where you do that and you pull the tag. Now I've just checked to hold on. It's got a plastic document wallet stuck on the outside of the box. So I don't know whether this is going to work. Oh yeah, it's working. Just need to cut that. Now you can see why I brought the scalpel with me. So this is an exciting announcement, fresh from Rabbit Towers. So I'm looking forward to seeing this. We've got some new merch. So what have we got? Well, let's have a look, shall we? Quite a few of you have already got our Brew It 2 mugs, which have been online for quite a little while, and they're what everybody has when they're on our Brew It 2, when they're on our Brew It 2 map. Oh, I've got my finger, look. There's only me, isn't there? Let me just get a tissue, just a second. Take two. I've actually had to put a plaster on, look, because not only was my finger bleeding, I'd actually got blood all over the place, and I don't want blood on my new merch, do I? Don't want blood on my new merch. So Brew It 2 cups. Quite a few of you have already got them. We do have some merchandise online as well on our Visit Fylde's website, but it's not integrated. It's not from a platform that's integrated with YouTube, which is what I wanted to do next. So that's what's in this box. So where shall we begin? Let's begin with a cup, shall we? Oh, that's very nice. Oh, I do like that. Now then, look at that. It's a two-tone cup. It's got a blue rim round the top and a blue handle. And you do have the option online of whether or not you want a blue trim or whether you want a different colour trim. So you can have it to red, you can have it to all kinds of different colours. Oh, I do like that. That's very nice. So we will be adding different styles and different designs and different graphics and things that you can put on, but I just wanted to do a range so that we could launch it. So we'll do them one at a time over a period of time. So this is stickers, I believe. I think this is stickers. So let's have a look and see what this is. Oh, window stickers. I do like a parcel. So I just got a couple. These are self-adhesive window stickers. that you can put in your car or in your window or wherever you want them. And then it starts getting a bit more exciting as you get further down. Just make sure there's nothing else in. As you get further down the box, because I've got in this box, haven't finished yet, I've got a very nice drawstring bag in black, which I thought was rather natty, so I'll be able to put my bits and bobs in that. There's a black one, it's a little bit creased up, it's still got the label on, look. Drawstring bag, there's a black one, which is rather swanky, I have to say. So you pull the strings up like that, and then it becomes a backpack, so it's dead easy to carry. Dead easy to carry, I like that, that's lovely. Very nice. And there's also an ecru one. I got both colours because I didn't know which one I'd like best. So I've got a black one and an ecru one. So I'll show you them together. I'll show you them together at the side of each other. Where am I? There you go. Black and ecru. I'm not doing a very good job of holding them up, am I? I don't have my own QVC. I think I prefer the ecru one actually, the natural one. It's very nice, that. Very nice. And drum roll and fanfare, the last item in the box, and I think that was all I ordered. Is there is another bag, but I might be doing something with that one. I'll just pop that down there, and then we can see the dog for the rabbit. The final thing in the box is a t-shirt. That's very nice. That's a ladies t-shirt because it's for me. I'm going to wear it. And it says that they're quite snug, so go up a size. Now I bought a large, which doesn't actually look that large, but I'm fairly sure that that's going to fit me. And that's navy blue. I quite like that. You can pick your own colours as well. So that's our new merchandise. You'll not miss me in that, will you? You'll not miss me in that. That's our new merchandise, which is available from the menu on YouTube, and fingers crossed I can work out how to do it. It will also be on the top bar of the YouTube channel as well, so they'll be featured across the top of the channel. So because we're just a tiny little business doing our best for the place that we love, we produce a what's on guide, we do a new mail newsletter an email newsletter is what I'm trying to say, which goes out on a Tuesday. We are Visit Fylde Coast because we're just a tiny business doing our best for the place that we love. Every time you buy something or make a donation or support us in any way, it all helps towards keeping the servers churning and keeping the newsletters going out and keeping the videos flowing and all the work that we do. So please help us. Please help us and we'll keep entertaining you. I think that's it for today's announcement. We'll look at some different designs and expand our range so that you've got plenty of things to choose from, and share it with all your friends. Share it with all your friends and tell everybody to follow Visit Fylde Coast. And until next time, we'll see you later. I'm going to go off now and try my t-shirt on. See you later.